Hello and welcome to How to Log In. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your GVC mortgage account. Go ahead and open the Chrome or Edge browser on your PC. Now, open google.com and in the Google search bar, search for GVC mortgage login. Click on the second link, which is the official page of GVC mortgage. Now, what you need to do is click on Start a Home Purchase or Start Refinance. I chose to start home purchase, so I will click on Start Home Purchase and it will tell you to register your email. So click on Sign In as you already have created an account in GVC Mortgage. After that, you can go ahead and write down your email, write down your password, hide or unhide the password anytime and then click sign in. This way you can log into your GVC mortgage account. In case you have forgotten your password, click on forgot password and then write down your email. After you write down your email and press continue, a verification mail will be sent and you can click on the verify and then you can recover your password quite easily. Now, if you haven't registered into the GVC mortgage account, click on register and then you can create an account for yourself after filling up your personal details and email address. This way, you can create an account for yourself. Hello, and I hope this video was helpful for you. This video about GVC mortgage might have helped you a lot. If yes, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and enjoy.